So one thing you'll need to do is start with some cover art. And if you sign up for a Canva account, then you can easily find any sort of designs in there. You can actually type in YouTube thumbnail and you can get a thumbnail. You can also create YouTube cover art, but you'll have to make sure that the dimensions are, let's see, this is, let me see, I'm going to check the properties, get info. You want to make sure that whatever you have is 2560 by 1440, those exact dimensions. So you'll find some templates on Canva, and you can drag some images. You can find some various images there. And so I have my cover art here. I also have it on my thumb drive. And then you can also create the custom thumbnail. And so the custom thumbnail, I believe it's this one right here. So the thumbnail is going to be what appears in a YouTube search. So you'll see, if I go to YouTube right now, you'll notice that these are the custom thumbnails that are created. And so they need to be uploaded at the same time that you upload your video. And somebody left themselves logged in. But as you can see for mine, I already uploaded my cover art. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. And so it's going to look a little bit different according to whatever your screen you're using. So it's going to look different in a mobile device. So you have to adjust the image itself. And then finally, the end cards. So you can find end cards in, you won't find templates in here. I found end cards in Adobe Spark. And so this is where it pops up at the end of your video. So what you have to do is you have to let it, you actually have to put this graphic at the very end, and you have to customize these boxes so that the videos that you would like to see will show up at the end. And if you can see, if you go into YouTube, so I'm going to go to the videos themselves. You can see if I wanted to dual script format. So if I wanted to edit the video, so this is where you would upload your custom thumbnail, and then you have some other options. And so when you're actually uploading it for the first time, you're going to have your basic options, and of course I'm not seeing them right now. Okay, so see that where it says end screen right here, this is what you'll want. So you actually edit that, and this is where you will put your card in there. And so I'm going to choose 2 videos or playlist, and so that way it'll show up. So right now mine is set to, it doesn't have the end card in there, but just notice that these will pop up. And so I'm going to set it to appear at the last few seconds of my video. And then you can make adjustments, the most recent upload and the best for viewers. So so you can choose those end screens, those end cards, and but you have to, it's a really good idea to upload your own end card, so that way it's not going over the desired video. So in other words, if you've got some really great video at the end you want people to see, then it's going to be overloaded with some additional images and such. So you'll need to create the end screen, and then upload your cards just before you upload your video. So you're going to actually edit this card onto your video. Okay, so I found mine on Adobe Spark. So we'll go over this in class, but you go to sparkadobe.com, and I'm going to log in. And if you type in YouTube, skip tour, you type in YouTube and cards, you'll see some options there. But as you can see, these are pretty useless because they're going to come up underneath your video. So I chose one that's similar to this. This might be also one that you could use. But as you know, so if you go into the end screen, these are, sorry, now I'm confused. But anyway, but as you notice that these will come up here, but you can also choose another function so they show up over here. So these would just be decisions that you would make in the YouTube studio. Okay.